Welcome to Quick Team Building Activities, where you bring the team, we bring the activities. Today's topic, strength-based leadership strategies. In today's video, we're going to explore some strength-based leadership strategies that you can implement today to lead your team into the future. Let's get started. As always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more content like this. On this channel, we focus on our team building activities for you and your team. Let's have fun. Question of the day. What are some strength-based strategies that you've used in the past? Please share your ideas in chat. Before we get started, we need to talk about what is strength-based leadership. The vision and the idea behind strength-based leadership is that, one, you need to invest in people's strengths. The next critical point in strengths-based leadership is to create complementary teams that work well together. And the next thing is that you want to work to understand employee needs as you drive your organization into the future. According to strength-based leadership theory, there are 4 types of leaders. The first one is an executing focused leader, a strategic thinking focused leader, an influencer, and a relationship building leader. It doesn't mean that individuals don't live and bounce into different areas. It just means that you have a tendency to focus on these particular areas in terms of your specific leadership style. Well, in today's video, what we're going to do is we are going to prioritize talking about the strategies that you need to implement if you live within these particular areas. The first activity, discover your strengths. Have each team member take the High Five test. There's also a free version when you just go to Google and type in High Five test. This test provides people with insight into their strengths. Once complete, pair individuals up with a partner and have them answer a set of core questions. The core questions for Discover Your Strength include, do you agree with the survey or not? And if you disagree, explain why. Which core strength was your weakest? Why do you think it was? If you agree, and if you don't agree, what do you think are your weakest areas? In terms of Discover Your Strengths, the free version does not provide you with a description of the strengths. So please check chat for a quick link that you can use to actually print out the actual description of each one of the strengths. You want to print out copies of the link to help guide and focus partner conversations as you continue to lead your team into the future. The next activity, paper, towel, tower. Provide players with paper and tape. Ask each player to build the tallest tower using only paper. The purpose of this activity is for people to work together to build a tall tower cooperatively as a team. Next, you want to observe how teams are working together. Remember, the idea is not about the paper towels, but how people are interacting with each other, so you can begin the process of identifying strengths and weaknesses. Once completed, celebrate the team who has the highest tower before engaging in the core activity. Now, ask teams to answer, how did you build the tower? What role did you serve within the actual group? And then ask teams to take a 2-minute reflection on their own and then partner up with a person to reflect on their involvement within the group and how they can continue to develop their own particular strengths. And that's it. Some strength-based leadership activities and strategies. You want to make sure that you use these activities to move your team into the future. Happy planning. Lastly, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more content like this. Remember that you want to make sure that you turn on notifications because we post consistently. Happy planning.